Well, our docket works actually really very well and was created because we had a 700 to 800 case backlog going back about 15 years when I took over in 1987. And what we do is our cases come in FIFO order. Every plaintiff must be symptomatic. We don't do just cancer cases, but now we pretty much have mostly malignancies. We do symptomatic asbestosis. We don't do non-symptomatic, non-cancer cases, pursuant to a case called Gefir, and so we Gefir cases that have no symptoms. And I should say that when Gefir came down, I think there were probably about 100 plaintiffs on trial at the time that were non-suited, and the next month they all had shortness of breath. So I always say the Gefir case took the plaintiff's breath away. So the cases are grouped in groups of 10, and they're reverse bifurcated. At the height of our system, we were doing 20 groups of 10 a month, which is 200 cases. We're now doing, I know it makes you scared, but it's all right. Now we do 2 groups of 10 per month. So it's 20 cases will go into the system. Usually it'll whittle its way down to 1 group of 10 that actually goes into a courtroom. The rest will settle within 2 to 3 weeks before trial. They are reverse bifurcated. We do causation and damages first. We do liability second. With the old guard of cases, we almost never went into a second phase. The cases would settle once the verdicts came in. Now, with brake linings and gaskets and other different defendants, we're going into second phases a little more often than we have before, but still the majority of cases will settle before a second phase, which makes it really efficient. I give them August and December off for good behavior. And right now we have about 500 cases on our docket. If you file a case today in Philadelphia County, you will have a trial or a settlement within 18 months to 2 years of trial. We do not have much of a case management order. I manage by consensus, by meeting with the lawyers once a month, by trying different techniques, and if they work, we put them in writing, and if they don't work, we forget about them. Our appellate court got a little frustrated and suggested that it might be a good idea to have a case management order so people could appeal for something. So we put kind of a makeshift one together. But basically, it's a very fluid process, ruling by consensus, listening to problems that I have, problems that you have, and trying to work a middle ground in between them. And that's us.
Thank you, Judge McBride.